Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can play Monopoly Poker with friends. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, go ahead, open up your Monopoly Poker app. For the terms and condition, ask app not to track, and you're going to go ahead, sign in, or you can also choose to play as a guest. Once you have done that, wait for it to start loading. Then once you're inside the game, you can check out the settings, and you can, on top you can see this icon of friends, right? You can tap on this friends icon where you will be able to add friends and connect. You can also tap on Facebook Connect, so you can connect your friends from your Facebook and add them. And once your friends has been added, you can play together on any of the game you can launch. You can invite them to play the same game, or you can tap on add friends, and you're gonna simply enter their code. If they are on the game itself, go ahead, enter their friend's code name and tap on send request. Once you accepted the request, you will be able to play together. That is all it takes. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.